This is the Policy Guard Decision Copilot. Financial institutions rarely fail compliance because policies are missing. They fail because operational breaches are detected too late after transactions have already moved downstream. This Policy Guard Decision Copilot addresses the problem by monitoring operational decisions in real time and immediately when behavior diverges from policy. Now let us go through the agent. Here, the agent evaluates Station ID 2, which is a personal loan in retail banking. The transaction amount slightly exceeds the approved risk limit, but the decision is not flagged only because of lead breach. The agent also detects an increasing exception trend, evaluated latency of 55 minutes, and repeated audit findings over the last 90 days. Because the signals together indicate policy divergence, the system immediately intervenes and changes the decision status to pending justification. In this, the agent detects a much more critical situation. Decision ID 4 is a high value home loan disbursement with a severe exposure breach. At the same time, the system sees sustained inspection growth, extremely delayed repeated audit findings, and a confirmed exposure condition. Instead, it immediately flags the transaction and escalates the case to compliance and risk leadership. This is important because the system escalates selectively only when operational syndicates the real exposure is not for every policy exception. The result is faster intervention, controlled escalation, and stronger real time compliance governance across the institution. This policy guard decision copilot improves compliance by intervening directly at the point of execution rather than delaying at the facts after audits.